If your 2019 Honda Accord backup camera is showing a black screen or static, we can fix that right now. Surprisingly, over 60% of these camera failures are caused by software glitches rather than hardware damage. Let's start the diagnosis by checking the easiest solutions first before spending money at the dealer. The soft reset is your first line of defense to clear out any frozen processes in the infotainment system. If a reset doesn't work, you're likely looking at a loose wiring harness or a simple blown fuse. Honda Accords are known for wiring fatigue near the trunk hinge after years of opening and closing. Most owners can solve this at home, but a hardware failure inside the camera itself may require a shop. While a fuse costs pennies, a full OEM camera replacement and labor can easily exceed $300. Always engage your parking brake and check for obstacles before testing the camera feed in your driveway. You only need a few basic tools to inspect the wiring and clean the lens for a clear picture. Keep your infotainment firmware updated to prevent these software glitches from returning in the future. If these steps helped you get your camera back online, hit that subscribe button for more Honda DIY fixes.